Good morning, students. Today I am going to start a new chapter, physical and chemical change. Here is a term change. So we should know what is change. Actually, any alteration in a given substance is called the change. Suppose you have given different types of pulses and when you mix it, you make the change. How can we define change? It is an act or process through which something becomes different. We make the something or any given thing different, then it becomes the change. For example, cooking of food. When we cook the food, it is different from the original substance. Change of season, breaking of glass, they are also the some examples of change. Now the question is, are all the changes same? Are all the changes same? No, all the changes are not same. Changes are of different types. I have written some of the types: slow change, fast change, natural change, man-made change, periodic, non-periodic, reversible and irreversible change. Let us see one by one what is the slow change, fast change. I am explaining the first one, slow change. It is a change which take place longer period of time to complete, whereas fast change it is a change which take place in a very short period of time. So it is the fast change and it is the slow change. Some examples are rusting of iron, change of season. They are categorized as the slow change because it takes a long period of time. On the other hand, bursting of crackers, blinking of eyes, they are categorized as the fast change because they occurs at a very short period of time. Natural change and man-made change. The change which occurs naturally are the natural change, whereas the change which occurs due to the effects of human beings, they are the man-made change. I am writing here some examples: earthquake, formation of day and night, change of seasons. They are the natural change because they occurs naturally, whereas cooking of food, burning of paper, they are man-made change. Cooking of food, it can be done by the human beings. Let us move to the next one, periodic change and non-periodic change. The changes which are repeated at a regular interval of time are considered as the periodic change. On the other hand, the changes which are not repeated at regular interval of time, then it is the non-periodic change. Some examples are change of day and night, change of season, they are the periodic change. The glass wheel which rings in your school, that is also the periodic change. On the other hand, earthquakes, volcanoes, landslides, they are the non-periodic change. And nowadays we are attacked by the coronavirus, it is also the non-periodic change. Reversible change and irreversible change. The changes which can be reversed back are considered as the reversible change, and the changes which can't be reversed back are the irreversible change. Examples are freezing of water, melting of ice, and many more examples. It is written in your book. Freezing of water. Once the water is freeze, on heating we can get the water again. So it is the reversible change. On the other hand, cooking of food, burning of paper, they are the irreversible change. When the food is cooked, it cannot be reversed back. So it is the irreversible change. Students, I have explained all the changes here, but many changes occurs around us, so it is difficult to categorize them like this. So to make it easy, in science all the possible changes can be classified into two groups: the physical change and the chemical change. In the next video I will explain you the physical change and the chemical change.